How we doing, everybody? Welcome back. This is Oscar. So yesterday was much needed for the AMP army. On Coinbase says that we reached 6 cents. On TradingView, almost 6 cents. But the Fibonacci retracements never lie, and they help us see what's coming and what has happened. I'll tell you by the end my analysis. One awesome news coming from a Canadian listing that we have AMP token in other part of the world. So that's pretty awesome by the end, guys. I understand that there's people saying, well, it always pumps and it dumps. But let me tell you, there's whales, there's people out there that understand this cryptocurrency is going to explode, but they don't want it to let it go run right now. For what reason? I don't know. But there's potential, there's utility, there's usage, and I'm excited. And that's what we talk in the channel, guys. Stocks, Roth IRA, and cryptocurrency, long-term growth, little by little. So please go ahead, like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. Thank you very much. Now, 24 hours ago, 3.35%. That was even higher, but of course, the price has come from almost 6 cents to 0.052 in the last week. Now it's when we start to see the almost 20%. That's on AMP token here on Coinbase. Now take a look at the trading activity: 40% buy, 60% sell. You might wonder why people are selling right now. Don't they understand that if they hold, the price will rise more? Well, yes, basically, but there's two ways of making money here on cryptocurrencies: one by holding like me, staking, and the other one by selling when it's high, buying when it's low. And people do it oftentimes. And whales, well, they're not gonna restrain themselves when they see a nice project like AMP token. So welcome to crypto, right? What you're looking right now is my Fibonacci retracement levels with a 1 minute, 1 day view. And this is exactly why I'm pretty excited for this. In 1 day, we went from 0.0501 all the way to 0.0599, 1 cent pretty much. Here on TradingView, it didn't reach 6 cents. I was doing my lab yesterday, and I understand that, wow, what a pump. That is awesome. And I told you guys when I was live that it was going to come back down. I've seen this, I've studied, I'm talking, I've seen it over and over and over again, which it happens. It is what it is. On my levels, which is this is the first one, we've been on this first red level, which is at 20 something percent for a while, more than 3 weeks, finally breaking in less than 1 day. So we have to acknowledge that. That's pretty powerful. If people just start to see the price without the indicators, they wouldn't understand the whole story, the whole picture. And I see the whole story here. It is somewhat respecting the Fibonacci, which of course is not a perfect tool, but it does help us understand where it's going. I like this, almost reaching resistance right here, came back to support, rejected, come back up, and now it's under the second level. What I'm thinking for the future as well, if it's already breaking that support, here's a good opportunity for us to start making some new positions if you believe in the project. Now, here's the most important thing I want you guys to know from this view is that, well, now that we have reached the second level, even though we're not there right now, but we have reached it in the last 24 hours, I'm talking, if I want to predict and if I want to still hold that we're going to be reaching 8 or somewhat cents by the end of the year, we must stay in that second level, come back, and then start pushing through the 6 level resistance, 6 cent resistance. Right now, that blue horizontal line, light blue, represents 5 cents. If AMP token goes even lower than that, then I'll be getting close to 4 cents at 5 cents level. So I wouldn't like that. Precisely because, I mean, we've been there for a while. I know it may not be the greatest coin to make money in 2021. Makes sense. There are other coins out there, especially, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and X amount of different coins that people are making money as of today, and that is fantastic. With AMP token, it still is due. It's gonna take a while. It is what it is. That's where I signed up for when I bought all my 100,000 AMP tokens. And you guys, I've seen your comments. You buy even more, so that is fantastic. Just stay here, diamond handed. I think that will be the best strategy. So after seeing the 1 day view, the one tick by tick that gets us all pumped, here's the winning that zoom out view, the one I like a lot, the year to date. What you're seeing right now is what we've done so far. September 21st, September 20th, it was when we were really down at 4 cents at the end of the Fibonacci. It is what it is. Now, if you take a look at right now, we're above. So that is just good news. I have number 1, number 2, and number 3. That's what I've been saying for a while, and that's what I think is going to happen. And if it does happen, if I get confirmations through the Fibonacci's, then it does make sense for me to say, yeah, that's going to happen. So let me start. Number 1, it is what we just did yesterday. I was predicting that number 1 was going to be somewhere around October gotta be above 5 cents, gotta be touching 6 cents. It just happened yesterday, so that's pretty awesome. And as we continue to this now month of October, as we get to the middle of October, I want to see the price of AMP token do not give up on that second level. That's my prediction. That's what I want to see doing, because if that happens, then I of course predict that we're gonna have some retracements here and there, but not at the bottom of the Fibonacci right now. That's what we did on September 20th. Now, what's going to happen is that eventually, as we continue battling those resistances, we should come up all the way up. Wells have to come eventually, right? And then push us all the way through to the 50% Fibonacci. And that will give us somewhere around the high cents, approximating, really getting close to 7 cents. And if that continues, as we continue on last year with a bull market, Bitcoin, Ethereum give us that strength, AMP token should be reaching somewhere in the vicinity of the golden ratio, which that will be around 7 cents. That, my friends, is my most conservative, most precise prediction I can give you about AMP token and its price. It is what it is. I can be totally wrong, and that's completely fine. It is just my opinion. But based on everything that I've seen, from now on, from here on September 22nd, where we have our 4 cents, I am saying, based on my analysis, this could be the lowest price for AMP token now in 2021. From now on, I hope to see a higher price, which that will mean getting up all the way to 5 cents, consolidated to 6 cents, and then getting up to the more cents. Guys, that is what I will tell you when it comes to the price analysis and predictions for AMP token. I'm not saying 10, 15 cents anymore. If that happens, as BitBoy Crypto said in one of his latest videos about AMP token, he says 50 cents for one AMP token by the end of the year. I consider that to be extremely bullish. If that happens, believe me, I won't be mad at him. I'm technically not mad at anyone, but the idea is, conservative speaking, that's what I'm thinking. How about you? Let me know in the comments down below, please. Now, taking a look at the other good news that we have for AMP token, of course, the holders are pumping. So that is just amazing. I told you, when we were dropping hard, the pumpers were going up from 20 to 30 to 40. Now we're approximating 44,000. And of course, the price is doing a little bit better. So thumbs up. The story is here, and there's more people coming to AMP token. So those are really good news. When it comes to coin market cap, well, here's what it is. Still 57 rank. We were at 56 yesterday. We came back down to 57. Welcome aboard, guys. And now, Newton, no fee crypto trading for Canadians at Canada's best prices. So it is pretty cool. They just announced yesterday, or today, if I'm not mistaken, 18 hours ago, that they have enabled trading and funding on 3 different projects, including AMP token. So there you guys have it. Now Canadians can trade AMP token through Newton, and of course it's like a typical, I will say, a Robinhood or Webull, where they don't charge you per commission. That's as far as I'm gonna go, but it's always good to have AMP token in different places, guys. There you guys have it. AMP token making moves. Yesterday did an amazing stuff. We had a live. Thank you so much, guys, for watching and coming to the live. Just good news, everyone, when it comes to AMP. I know, of course, there's other cryptocurrencies exploding to the moon right now, and that is great, and you guys are probably very excited for those. So go ahead and make the money. That is the idea for cryptocurrencies. But let me tell you, when Bitcoin and Ethereum right now, Bitcoin getting close to $50,000, Ethereum to $3,500, still AMP token getting to 5 or high, approximately 6 cents. That's what I like to see. By the end of the year, if Bitcoin gets above 60, that'll be great. AMP token could be around 7 to 8 cents. Yes, please. That's what I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.